Alright guys, this is a quick squishy review. I just got these. This is from Nolonger on Amazon. Search Nolonger, N-O-L-O-N-G-E-R. This is the cat hamburger. The Nolonger cat hamburger squishy. Alright, let's check that out. I'm gonna squish that down. And then we also got this Galaxy Panda from Nolonger. Comes in a 2-pack, comes with both of them. I'm gonna give it a squish here. I'm gonna give this one a squish. Cat hamburger, Galaxy colored Panda 2-pack on Amazon from Nolonger. Smells good. Smell that. Smells sweet. You can smell it right coming out of the package. It smells really good. Slow rising. Good size. Good medium jumbo size. Nolonger squishies.